ABEO stock analysis. Should you buy or wait? I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in mentors and courses in 5 years of my time and finally figured out what's making me money and what's not. Even with Abeona Therapeutics, I mean, 4% correction a little bit, it's something. But look at this the day before, right? Not like 2 days back. This is actually 30th of April, when it actually happened. It went up 20% or something. And the bearish idea that I had was only going to be valid if there was this confirmation. It never happened. Actually, quite the opposite happened. And in this instance, you know, when I have something like this going on, this is a full-on this is like giving it out, right? A way where I'm just now looking to buy, like a madman. I'm not saying it will have to kind of come down this low. But what I'm saying is that I must see a little pull downs and a little correction. And then only then I'm going to look to take things further up and buy. Other than that, this is all pure noise. So this is ultimately how ABEO is looking like for me. Let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.